We're going to start out with a piece of poster board and a piece of string, a small screwdriver, and a Sharpie. Next, you're going to attach one end of your string to the lower end of the screwdriver. Then you're going to measure off as much string as you want the height of your cone to be. So for example, I'm doing an 18-inch cone, so I'm measuring off 18 inches of string from the point where the screwdriver connects to the Sharpie. Insert the screwdriver end to the corner of the poster board, and then holding the string taut, draw your arc. Note that both sides are 18 inches, which is going to be the height of our cone. Then cut out your quarter circle. I'm using a cork pot holder as the base for my cone. This piece is optional. I'm using a 7-inch base for an 18-inch tall cone. Wrap your cone around the base until you get the correct size, and then tape it off with Scotch tape. Then, using a Sharpie, mark the spot on your cone where it needs to get folded to for the correct size for the base. Now re-roll your cone, keeping the top pointed and keeping the bottom edge even all the way around, and this will give you a perfect cone. Tape off both ends using Scotch tape. Glue the seam of the cone shut using hot glue. Just squish the glue inside and then press it down until it's dry. Apply glue into the inside lip of the bottom of the cone and then press the cone onto your base. And now you have a perfect cone. The base of the cone is optional. If you prefer to stack your cones, it would be best to omit the base. These cones make a great base for Christmas decor or for any other option where you need a cone. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel.